Euro NCAP rewards car makers that advance new safety technologies which have a demonstrated benefit. The safety organization has assessed a number of technologies offered on recently tested models. Mercedes-Benz's Attention Assist and Ford's Driver Alert help drivers recognize when they're drowsy or inattentive and encourage them to take a break. Both systems use sensors on the vehicle, a steering angle sensor or a forward-looking camera. Drowsiness is estimated to play a role in 20% of all serious crashes in Europe. Ford's Forward Alert, Mercedes-Benz's Collision Prevention Assist and Volkswagen City Emergency Brake help drivers avoid or mitigate nose-to-tail crashes. With Forward Alert and Collision Prevention Assist, the driver is warned of potential danger, and both systems provide brake support at speeds up to 180 km/h or higher. Volkswagen City Emergency Brake acts at lower speeds, where soft tissue whiplash injuries are most frequent. Around half of all accidents involve a rear-end collision, making this the most common crash scenario. Opel's adaptive forward lighting is a system intended to help drivers observe objects earlier than they otherwise would when entering a corner in darkness, to prevent night accidents in curbs or in turning situations. Most turning scenarios are at low speeds, and the system helps to avoid accidents with pedestrians and cyclists. Euro NCAP believes that innovations like these offer significant safety benefits to consumers and will help European roads become even safer in the future.